Let's hear it from. Okay, and to close off our first program that we have for you this afternoon, this is Mr. Gerald Lazar. I want to encourage you, please, to spend the entire afternoon with us. We have a robust program he's going to tell you a little bit as well, and hopefully you'll enjoy it every step of the way. Thank you very much, Mr. Lazar.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gerald Lazar, and I'm the Dean of Students at Yeshiva Or Chaim. I oversee student activities and provide our students with academic guidance. I also oversee the school's admissions. This means I have the privilege of meeting every student who applies to the school, and then when they are in the school, helping them with decisions around course selection and ultimately guiding them into choosing their post-secondary programs. I very much enjoy the opportunity to welcome our students into the school and ultimately help navigate them through high school and into their post-secondary lives. It's a pleasure to work directly with our students. Our school community prides itself on students who are warm, helpful, and community-minded young Jewish leaders. After today's program, if you are interested in applying, I would encourage you to follow the Next Steps handout in your folder and apply online by our no-fee deadline of Tuesday, November 15th. After that date, there is a $200 application fee that applies. There are two parts to the online application, a general application and a portal to submit the documents listed on your Next Steps handout. So we ask that those documents are submitted by Tuesday, November 22nd. It's all in the folder and all on the sheet that we have for you. Once we've received those documents, then we schedule an interview for your son. All the interviews are conducted during the school day. On Sunday, December 4th, we require all students who have applied to write admissions tests. Those will help us with a standard academic overview as a component of our admissions decisions. To help us set up for an acceptance in our package, we created a short summary of some actionable items students can do to ensure they achieve an offer of acceptance score. So we encourage you just to make sure that you're taking a look there and that you're getting all of those markers. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the program.